The idea that home ownership guarantees financial security in our older years is being challenged by a new survey. The study conducted by the University of Calgary School of Public Policy found that more than a third of older homeowners surveyed worried about being able to afford home upkeep. The findings were from a survey of 715 Albertans between the ages of 65 and 85. Now, generally, people who own their own homes outright, that's considered an advantage. We talked to University of Calgary researcher Alex Bierman about his survey. He was surprised to find that in many cases, older Albertans who own their own homes are not feeling financially secure at all.
There's just been this assumption that homeowners are housing secure. So this is really one of the first times that we've started to really delve into housing insecurity among people who own their own homes outright. I have spent the better part of the last decade tracking financial insecurity among Canadian older adults, and we have definitely seen a rising sense of financial strain among Canadian older adults. They're reporting they're having more trouble paying for household expenses and covering the bills without question. So I think that's simply going to have a domino effect. When people have difficulty paying for their daily necessities, they're also going to have trouble covering rent or mortgage or paying for upkeep on their homes. Beyond that, once you sell that home, you still need a place to live. And quite frankly, with housing prices the way it is, it's not necessarily guaranteed that you're going to find a substantially cheaper house in this kind of housing market. The issue with renting is that you're really subject to increases in rent over the course of the last decade. We've definitely seen substantial increases in rental costs, and so that's very much far from a stable sort of expense that can really increase and eat into the equity that you've turned into cash through selling your home.